bitch who shit his ass. I ain't never seen that motherfucker. Bitch, that motherfucker is wet.
It is dope, huh, bitch? Hold on. Is that a bird? Bitch, why he ain't got no tin on that? You know niggas tryna kill him? Why you ain't got no tin?
Cause bitch, I got this heat, and I keep a gunner with me, so he see what I don't see.
Why you ain't got no...
Check. Hold on. Hold up, cuz. Alright, look, too many niggas up here, cuz. There's too many niggas up here. Start out like that, bro. There's too many niggas, cuz. Why is too many niggas, bro? I ain't gonna do that shit on hot, nigga. Hey, I love it. I swear to God, listen. Hey, want y'all do me a favor, though. Them niggas that said the guard, them weak ass niggas didn't want to book me. They said I cause problems. They said I bring drama. And they was scared of y'all for real. So call them niggas and tell Bird, said fuck them. Stirring up like that, nigga. Broke ass niggas. Fuck they $1,000 they try to give me. Yeah. Fuck with me though. Here go my number, man. Call me. Nah.
I got a bitch, she probably got a nigga.
So let's just fucking keep it at that. Hey, if you know it, fuck with me though. Fuck love. I'm just trying to fucking keep a secret. If I give it to you once, I bet you gon' try to keep it. Bet you if I eat it, you tell them bitches I'm yours and my slow stroke perfected. I bet you gon' want some more. I fuck them till they sore. Bird fuck them till they numb. They on your side and suck my dick and I'm like, fuck you, I'm like, I grab them by the waist because the bitches start running. And I don't want her shit unless she tell me that she coming. Lay flat on your stomach or at your ass so I can stick it. She call her friends like, girl, this nigga different. And girly did positions I promised that I ain't seen. And I came so many times, bitch, I thought it was a dream. I would tell you his name, but he told me to keep it secret. This dick so damn good, bitch, that's how I'ma keep it secret.
She say she wanna leave cause her baby daddy tripped. He ignores her, fucking
Text a lot of bitches. I asked, can you make it work or is you finished? She like, Bird, everything was cool in the beginning. He used to be her king and she was loyal as a kid. She ain't never cheated on me, but he's giving hoes dick. She ain't shit is what she thinking. Her mind saying no. Her heart keeps saying,
get your shit and hit the door.
I ain't taking this no more is what she say under her breath. Getting deeper in her feelings, feeling lonely and depressed. He's so arrogant as fuck that he don't see what's going on. Her moms and her friends be like, leave that nigga alone. Just because y'all got a kid don't make everything mutual. She confused to keep talking about the future. He beats her and she's scared to go to work because of bruises.
He's not gangsta, he's easily influenced.
Right. Hey, fuck, we about to turn up, man. Straight up. That's your bitch, huh? Yeah.
Ain't no way perfect though.
Play me on the mic towards y'all.
Homie, you tripping.
And your dom's finna cash out. She wanna talk, but all you wanna do is lash out. You take her money, but you supposed to be a gritter. And if you don't need her, why you still fucking with her? You got bitches in your business and you sloppy with your phone. You's a dummy if you let them stray bitches in your home. What the fuck is wrong with you? What's going on with you? She spooked, she don't even like to be alone with you. Why? She asks questions and that turns into an argument. You probably smack her and then tell her she be starting shit. She sits behind and plus sleeping on the couch, yeah. But she ain't got the strength to put your ass out, damn. It's sad, but it happens every day. So for my friend, all I can do is pray. Pray she get that rest. Pray she gets some guidance. She keep a smile, but she suffering in silence. Turn up, cuz.
I get my money quick, but sometimes I wanna lay up with my honey. She be with me 'cause she ain't like all the other chicks. She get and she splits, so I got a honey dip. From the top to the telly, you know how it is. Most of these chicks I never tell them where to get the name. Try to reach me at my mention on my mother.
Hey, this is real life shit, though. Listen. she didn't stop texting. I'm 2 minutes away. I just got off at the exit. I'm headed to direction. She say she in her 50s and she barely get to see me, so I know she probably makes it. She always looking pretty. I'm always trying to touch her, a little sexy motherfucker, yeah. I'm always trying to fuck her. I call her, she be ready. She ain't with the drama, but she hate my last bitch. And she don't like my baby mama, she keep it low key with no jet. Shit, she don't even ask me no questions. Nah, we don't even fuck without protection. And her business is her business, man. I promise she ain't messing. She my little bitch dope and got class. She keep her hair done and got ass. I mean, need I say more? I'm just saying. I pick her up and fuck her every time I get a chance, bird. Hey, real life shit though, nigga. I ain't gotta put no 10 on nothing. Not now, one of my shit. And I'ma slide to the city, go where I wanna go. You hear me? 2J12, 213 shit, nigga. Rock, you know.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep guttering with me, so you see what I don't see.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep guttering with me, so you see what I don't see.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep a gunner with me, so you see what I don't see.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep a gunner with me, so you see what I don't see. Hey, you think I'm tripping off these pillow talking ass niggas? I hope he got insurance cause I crash niggas. The last nigga pulled up on me, got his life took. I mean that 40 hit his jaw like a right hook. I travel through my city with no worries. These niggas be telling bitches they gon' hurt me. I barbecue a nigga with this flamethrower. This bitch cute, I ain't even got a name for
Why
it.
you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep a gunner with me, so you see what I don't see.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep a gunner with me, so you see what I don't see.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep a gunner with me, so you see what I don't see.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. And I keep a gunner with me, so you see what I don't see. I'm dripping candy and I'm sitting on some foes. My nigga riding with me, go. I hop out looking crispy on my grippies. Clearly I ain't hiding, come and get me. My carpet shoe 60, no jamming. I'm busting if you pull up looking scandalous. And they hate me in Missouri and Kansas. But I ain't tripping cause I'm riding with my camera.
Why you ain't got no teeth?
Cause bitch, I got this heat. Quick, watching the damn news. Another homicide, but shit, they ain't nothing new. These little niggas grimy in these KC streets. And niggas get cooked in this KC bitch. Are you ready? I swear that in. Being 23 shots. Niggas that got me hot. I'm everywhere just like 2 or 3 niggas. I don't need to bring the whole block. Niggas say I be tripping. Bitches say I be different. Motherfucking Lord cost 45,000 and he don't fuck with no snitches. Switching rounds like bitches. Snap back in my grip. Broke niggas plot don't lay me down, so I be watching niggas no slip. Y'all ain't ready for that, dog. Okay. Yeah. I swear to God, well, you a bad bitch. I see you working, ma. You know I'm tipping cause I like the way you twerking, ma. I'm honestly impressed with all that ass on you, and I'd be a damn fool if I pass on you. It's so exotic how you keep throwing that ass back. And I ain't mad, little mama, let your cash stack. I'm a hustler and I see you in your prime time, and I don't mind tipping you from the sideline. Leg stickers of Brazilian with your weave in. If you ain't here, then I'ma be here every weekend. Tipping and throwing dollars from the front row. I'm digging you, so what I got in front? Okay, check me out. Hey, that's your bitch, huh? You in love? Man, she call me every time she in the club. You's a fool, and only if you know. I give a dope dick and send her back to you, huh? That's your bitch, huh? You in love? Man, she call me every time she in the club. You's a fool, and only if you know. I give a dope dick and send her back to you, man. I don't break up happy homes, I fuck up and send her back. I'm still so deep in the pussy, pulling the track. I'm good with the rap, but I'm even open with rapping. Call my bro Sip like, man, guess what just happened? Remember old girl who used to be out clubbing, had the little boyfriend who couldn't stop mugging? I hit her last night, bro, gas to the pussy. She told me, bird, you ain't gotta ask for the pussy. What happened to your dude? I respect the bitch mind, respect the bitch game, so every time the bitch come, I just beat it up. That's your bitch, huh? You in love? Man, she call me every time she in the club. You's a fool, and only if you knew. I give a dope dick and send her back to you, bye. That's your bitch, huh? You in love? Man, she call me every time she in the club. You's a fool, and only if you knew. I give a dope dick and send her back to you. I know you niggas are sucking, your baby daddy's a bitch. Between me and you, that's the reason I like niggas. He paying for braids, he paying for quick leaves, I ain't paying for shit. I'm fucking again, leave. He worried about you, he calling you every minute. Just answer and tell him he can hang as soon as I'm finished. Now I'm playing, he probably try to kill me, and I don't funk over no bitch. You feel me? Yeah. Hey, he probably think you still at the club, but only if you know you was sucking and getting fucked, hey. The bitch bust a couple nuts and then bounce. Legs still shaking all the way to the house. That's your bitch, huh? You want love? Man, she call me every time she in the club. And only if you knew. I give a dope dick and send her back to you. That's your bitch, huh? You in love? Man, she call me every time she in the club. You's a fool, and only if you knew. I give a dope dick and send her back to you. Hey, turn up though. I'm ready to get fucked. Niggas ain't cuffing these sluts. Taking somebody's girlfriend home. I ain't telling you. Actually, they gonna tell you everybody. We don't give a fuck. He gonna be in trouble. I can't get in trouble. I don't appreciate all y'all, dog. Straight up, man. Love, dog. Straight up like that, man. You fuck with me, I fuck with you, man. If you don't, you already know the rest, bro. Straight up like that, dude. So I thank all y'all for coming out, though, on the real.
I'll make sure I scratch your shit.
Check. Yo, Moda mention. We need next Friday for you niggas to have some sound that does not crack in and out, please. Cause this shit, we can't do this shit no more.